Hey guys, what's going on? Let me show you one of the mini projects I'm working on. And I mean mini. Got a new design going on. Bucket loaders in the back of trucks. Alright, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all the brackets off, cut their support out. We're going to weld in skid steer mount bracket to adapt this to the front of a skid steer attachment. Alright, here's the bracket I'm going to be installing. A quick attach for the skid steer from ATI Corporations. Alright, let's tear down. So the first thing I'm doing is cutting off all these 1-inch welds. Just holding this brace on. We'll get this brace out of the way to make room for a new bracket. Keep in mind, I'm cutting with one hand. Alright, so now it's time to get these brackets off. I was planning on saving them, but I don't know if I'll be able to or not. There's a lot of weld on it. So we'll see what we can do. It's welded solid all the way around. But I'll try to save them. Well, here it is. They're all shaved off. Wasn't able to save the bracket. Go figure. Too many welds on it. Alright, now we're going to grind and clean it all up. Alright, got it all ground down, cleaned out, clean shaven. Next thing to do is lay out and put the bracket on. It's time to fire up old red. We're going to weld this plate on. That's it. Got her all welded up and everything. Now it's time to clean it up, take it back where it came from. Should work out pretty good. We'll see. Alright, so on the spacing on this bracket system, I've got 18 inches from there to ground level. That way when the loader arm is down, it'll all set level across the ground. It's also centered left to right from where the original brackets were at.